everyone, this is Mehak and you are watching HcoRealEstates. So today we are going to discuss another big project of DLF. जैसा कि ज़्यादातर लोगों को लगता होगा कि DLF के प्रोजेक्ट्स ज़्यादातर गुरुग्राम में है, आज हम आपको बताएंगे विद इन 6 मंथ्स डिलीवर हो रहा है. दैट इज DLF 1 मिडटाउन इन मोती नगर. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट है विद लैंड पार्सल ऑफ 5.14 एकर्स, जिसमें आपके 128 एकड़ के लश ग्रीन स्पेसेस रहेंगे. उसी के साथ साथ टावर्स जो हैं वो हैं 4 टावर्स आर देयर and with each floor only 6 apartments are there along with 6 private elevators. Parking रहेगी आपकी 5-tier parking is there, and when we talk about the clubhouse is of size 50,000 square feet. With an elevation of G+39. This project is coming in 3 sizes. That is 2 BHK for 1700 square feet, 3 BHK for 2300 square feet and 4 BHK for 3000 square feet. Proximity to IGI airport and 5 metro stations. The units of this premium project has already been sold to its max. Still, few units are left with us. If you want any other details related to this project, you can contact us on the given number below. Thank you.